Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. So we have the formula in here. That is about cosine 2/8. We can transform into 1 minus number 2 sine a squared. So cosine x we can transform into this one. And we know that this one, that is about s over 2 multiplied by number 2. So capital A in here, that is about s over number 2. Now, the next one. So, we can see that this one, that is about number 2 multiplied by s over number 2. So, we need to transform this one into this one. So 1 minus 1, we cancel negative and negative. We can change the sign. And now we can simplify number 2 sine of s over 2 on numerator and denominator. Now we can put s on here. Next, we need to put 1 over 2 on numerator and denominator. So we have the formula in here. And this one, that is about number 1. So that means sine of s over 2 divided by s over 2, that is about number 1. So this one, that is about number 1. This is the end. Thank you for watching.